Now in the same exercise 3.2, moving to the next topic. Here we have, see, if two straight lines are given, then how to know those straight lines are intersecting lines or parallel lines or coincident lines. Intersecting lines, so you can understand those lines which will intersect at a point are called intersecting lines. Parallel lines, those lines which never meet, right, are known as parallel lines. And when the two lines will never meet, when they will parallel to each other, right? And the third one is coincident line. Coincident line means one line is there and above that one another line is there. Okay, same line. It means coincident line. One line is there and above that one another line is there. Those lines are known as coincident lines. Now, how to know if two straight lines, if the equation of the straight line is given, how to understand that which straight line, those straight lines are intersecting lines, parallel lines or coincident lines. This is the topic. Okay, so I have taken two general equations. A1 see the equation properly. A1 x plus b1 y plus c1 is equals to, this is the general form to represent a linear equation. Second one is a2 x plus b2 y plus c2 is equals to 0. Here a1, a2, b1, b2, those are what? Coefficients of x and y, and c1, c2 are constant. Understood? Now what is the first point? First thing, intersecting lines. So when we call it, the given straight lines are intersecting lines. If we have this, see the condition. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then we will say those two straight lines are intersecting lines. Examples I have given it, and these examples is actually the previous question which we have done in the previous video, the graph one. X plus y is equals to 10 and y minus x is equals to 4, and these two lines were what? Intersecting lines. These two lines intersect at which point? In the previous video it intersect at 3, 7. That is why they are known as intersecting lines. Now the second one, when the given lines are said to be parallel, if this ratio a1 by a2, a1, a2 are what? Coefficients of x, and b1, b2 coefficient of y. So if we divide this a1 by a2 and b1 by a2, if these two ratios are equal, then the two equations are said to be, then the two straight lines are said to be parallel to each other. Examples I have given. Okay, you can check this question, this straight lines. See here a1 is 4, a2 is 4, right? And then b1 is 3 and c1 is b1 is 3 and b2 is 3. So if we will divide, what we will get? We will get 1 1 in each case. A1 by a2 give you 1, 4 divided by 4, and b1 by b2, 3 divided by 3 give you again 1. That is why these two straight lines are parallel to each other. And the third one, if a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2, all are equal, then the straight lines are said to be coincident line. And I have given the examples of that also. You can check. 2 by 4 give you half, 3 by 6 give you half, 10 by 20 give you half. So these straight lines are coincident lines. If you represent these three examples on the graph paper, then you will understand properly. Then you will understand. Okay. If you wanted to check these lines are parallel, these lines are intersecting or not, for these two we have already drawn one graph. These lines are parallel or not, these lines are coincident or not. To draw this straight line on the graph paper, you will see it will be a parallel line and it will be a coincident line.